Hello guys, so this video is produced by Black Panther and his brother Annie Brawler. So we will start in duo showdown with my brother. And now first we will get the power cubes to increase the attack and the health. So we have got Primo and Jackie, though two big heavy hitters, because this map is fulfilled by all grass, so it will be useful to us. So now we have gotten into the main battleground. All the teams have reached here. So first, oh, Jackie has destroyed a team very easily. So now we will go and see the Rico and BR team is come. Oh no, BR has hurt me very much. So Jackie will handle it. So it's very easy to now. Oh, okay. Oh no, the Primo has come and it's the time of the showdown, and we have won it very easily. So our team is number one. So now we will go to the next round with another combination of Rosa and Bull. Another two heavy hitters with a very strong health and also a bit of strong attack. So we will get first the power cubes, and now we will seek the teams. So here's the Primo. So we will and oh, he's also partner of the most heavy hitter brawler Frank. Oh no, yeah, no, yeah, I have gone, but my brother is very talented and pro. So he used the super attack very carefully. So now I will be back in 2 seconds, and then we will go into the grass for to seek and attack the enemies. So we have entered. Now we will get the enemies. Where are they? Oh, so in the south they are there. Oh, we have got Agar and his teammate Colt. Oh no, the Colt's super attack has taken away from our match. Oh no, sorry guys. So we'll go to our third round, looking out in a other combination of brawlers. So now I have got Jackie, and I need brawler has got Primo. So now we will go first take the power cubes and then seek to enemies. So Primo is coming to me. There is one Agar, so it is also good brawler. I like it. So Agar is going to this super attack, it seems, but no, it doesn't use. So we have got the bow in our trap. Oh, Agar has come. Oh, so there is a Pippa. So we will defeat him very easily. Oh no, guys. Shelly in close, no, it's a very good brawler. So now we will seek to get the power cubes and then again enter to the our match. So Primo has gone to take another power cubes. So we'll go take this and go to the battleground. Oh, we have got one team with a very good combination. So now, yes, if one comes in a range of Primo, no, it cannot be defeated. So now we will see there is a Barley here, which was not very pro. We got in our trap. Oh, so sorry guys, there was an internet connection problem, so we have done it. So Bull has missed. Oh, it has 10 cubes. So my brother will easily take down this team very easily. Aha, it's got both of them. This is the power of the this is the power of the heavy hitters in the grasses map. So now we will go to our fourth round very soon. So we have got so I've got Bull and he's got Rosa. So we will go into the grass to tackle. Oh, there is a Frank wanted to defeat us, Frank and Gale. So after collecting the power cubes, we will tackle them. No, Rosa. stay safe. So Rosa is gone. Oh, thank God. Because my HP was very low. So I got him Go as come here. So I will use our super attack to save the life. Till till my brother comes in. So he has came. So now we will attack. We have to stay away from this team because it has many power cubes. So there is a very huge fight going out there. So we'll stay here till the fight ends, and then we'll go and tackle them. So wow, Rosa had got all of them in the trap. So now we will end this and go forward. And we have caught in the grasses. So wait till the team comes in. Oh, so there are they. So Gale has pushed them there. No, please, Rosa, you can do it. Oh, what a win Rosa has taken. Wow. So now we have done it. So please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Gamific Nitro. Thank you.